YouTube. Today we're gonna try to catch some crab. It's Wednesday today, and
yeah, we're gonna throw in 3 crab pots, and on the Saturday we have hopefully a lot of crab claws.
And of course you're gonna see that as well.
Yes, so I would say let's go on the sea and
of
throw
course.
them in.
Which of them shall we take?
Yeah. Alright, then we got 3.
Yeah. Well,
off we go.
off we go to fish some crab.
Yeah.
Now Tim is gonna show you what kind of trap we use when we fish crab and lobster.
Yes. So this is the lobster or crab trap. What happens is, first, of course, you need always to put some bait in. So today we're gonna use mackerel we catched earlier on.
Yes.
So you can you have this bait sack. You put the 2 mackerels in for today. You can close it up. You have 2 holes on the side, which is going here and here. The crab climbs in, and when they are in the trap, they crawl up in here, which is a little bit a closed section. They enter this part of the pot, and then they lock. They cannot escape anymore. You have minimum size.
Yes.
So we have a big hole in the side. So if the crab is small, they can just crawl out, and then there's no problem.
Yeah.
When you got some crabs eventually, so you can go on the side, take them out, and very important, we have 30 meters of rope. We have to put our names on and telephone number as well, so if you are doing illegal stuff, the Coast Guard will get you.
Yeah, but for sure. And we also have an F.
Yeah.
For fritidsfiskare.
Yeah.
That's guys that do that for a hobby.
Yes.
Not professionals.
So then they know we can only use 6 crab pots per person.
Yes.
And yeah, it's really fun way to fish.
Yeah, it really is, and it's also very excited because we have to wait some days before we bring the pots up.
And very passive, so it's not that difficult.
Not hard. But we still need to find the place where the crabs are.
Yeah.
So.
But we will find it.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes, let's test it out.
Yes.
Chateau is ready.
I'm ready for action.
So this is our favorite spot where we do a lot of the crab fishing.
Yes.
And then when we hit the right spot, Chateau will throw it in. Are you ready, Chateau?
I'm ready. Born ready.
All right.
Ready?
Throw it in.
Perfect.
There it is. 20 meters.
That's good.
First one in.
First one in.
On to the next one. 60 meters, why not?
Now?
Yep.
Okay.
Mark the spot. Whee! right, the crab pots are in the ocean, in the water, and yeah, we have to wait a little bit.
Yeah, it was a good trip.
Yeah, it was a little bit windy, but we have a good boat, so that went well.
No problems.
How many crabs do you think we're gonna catch?
Well, I'm gonna say, as I always say, 12.
I think that's very likely.
Yeah.
10, 12. But the job is done for the day, so I think it's time to go home.
Yeah. See you guys on Saturday.
See you on Saturday.
Bye bye. Hello again. Now it's finally Saturday, and now we're gonna try to pick the pots up and see if we can catch any crab.
Yeah, hopefully we have some dinner tonight.
Yeah, I hope so. But the weather is not that good today. But
it's north wind, so that will benefit for us taking them up. Hopefully it will be surf and turf tonight.
yeah, let's see.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, over there is the boy.
Yep. Now we're gonna catch some crab, I think. Or for sure.
Yeah. Yep.
Boy, fisk.
Oh yeah.
Some free fishing stuff.
Ah, cool.
Gonna keep that one for sure.
Yeah. We got some. Oh, nice sizes. Really nice size.
They are actually perfect.
Nice. That's one.
1, 2. Actually, I did a little bit.
Wow. Ah, great first one.
Very good.
Ah, this is a big one.
Yes.
Nice. Look at that.
Oj jävlar, det var bra.
Nice. Oh, that's a good catch. How many are there?
1, 2.
7, isn't it?
Yes, 7. But I think 3 of them we're gonna throw back.
Yeah. Smart. That was almost in your hands, isn't it?
Very close.
Yeah, they are really strong, so you don't want to get
They
them.
can cut your finger off. Lobster!
Oh shit! Little one.
I don't think we can keep anything here. And
A
a
lobster.
little lobster. Gonna see you soon, my friend.
Yeah,
In a couple of years, I think.
but in the end of September we can fish legally for them, so it's promising they are growing.
Yeah,
It's a young one now.
yeah, it's a young one,
Cool.
but still nice. Okay, bye bye. Hey, you're too small, my friend. Okay.
Yep. Well done, Shuttle.
Yeah, well done, Tim.
And clean the lens here. Perfect. So it starts to rain now. We have how many did we catch now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
But we caught more. Yeah, we threw away. Yeah, 7 kips.
So let's go home, make some dinner.
Yes, let's do that.
Happy that we went out today.
Yeah, same here. It was a really cool experience.
Yeah.
And nice that we catch some crabs.
And I like that the weather gets better.
Yeah.
Because now it's still warm.
It is. Catch of today.
Catch up today. Now we go home to cook some really good dinner.
Yes. Skål! All right, we got some stones in the back. We have, what is it? 8 liters of water.
Yeah.
Seawater is quite salty here on the west coast. We take approximately 35 grams per liter.
Yes.
We're not gonna weigh it, but we're gonna throw.
Yeah. We're gonna start, and then we're gonna find out
How much?
how much salt we need. Because it has to be close to seawater.
Not afraid of my life with my bushcraft knife. Bushcraft knife. Let's go. Bushcrafters. Let's go.
It's boiling like hell in here. We're gonna take, I'm gonna take the biggest one. And I think we're gonna cook this one for around 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So thank you for everything, my friend. Take the one you want to eat.
Ah,
Perfect. Now the crabs are ready. At least this one.
That's nice. Oh, that's the big one, yeah.
Very good.
Nice.
Hey! I don't know, but for me this looks really
And
good.
for me, I have to eat it.
Yeah, but be careful because it's hot.
It's good. I guess.
Really good.
Hello everybody! Now we have eaten the crabs, we have eaten some steak and had a really nice time
Yeah, it was
with our family.
perfect. We had a good catch. Perfect weather on the beginning. A little bit rain on when we went back, but no worries on that one.
No.
It was beautiful. So hopefully you had a nice insight how we catch some crabs here on the west coast.
Yeah. Really nice.
Yes.
Thank you.
So see you next time.
Next time.
Adios.
Bye bye. Adios.
West